Hi everyone, today I would like to show you the process of how to make street price cookware. So, firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm Mepz from Singularity Industry. I have 2 years experience in this cookware producing line. In 2018, I lead engineer team to serve the cookware project in Uzbekistan, and in 2019, I have hold a R&D cookware A to Z turnkey project for South Africa. And in 2020, you can have below project from us. First is a stainless steel glass lid, temporary glass, like this one. You can have the temporary glass lid and the stainless steel rim from us. Secondly, it is the stainless steel CNC spinning machine with the mold system for making product like this. And third, we provide stainless steel cookware and pressure cooker A to Z turnkey project for you. And this is the pressure cooker, and it is made by our Indian client JB Cookware. We also provide stainless steel circle blanking line, which is cutting the coil to the circles. And finally, we provide stainless steel hotelware, thermopole, and rectangular A to Z turnkey project, like this product. So let us begin how to make three-piece steel cookware. I will make example for the like this one. The size is diameter 200 millimeter by height 108 and 7 millimeter. The thickness is 2 mm. Like this one. The outside it is 430. It is 0.5 millimeter, and middle is aluminum. It is 1.1 millimeter, and inside it is 304, 0.4 millimeter. Let us see a video of how to make it. The presentation will be 4 parts. One is forming plan, second is production plan, and 3 is packing plan, and the fourth and the final is why you choose Singularity. The floor plan will be 5 parts. First is first press and second press for reshaping and edge cutting, trimming, then final is washing. The first press is to making the circle like this one to forming to the pro shape. It's doing by this 200 times hydraulic pressing machine. And why you choose this machine is because the Linkfair cookware factory, one of the top 10 cookware factory in China, have using this model over 10 years, and the capacity can do around 2,500 pieces per 8 hours, and the producing line we can do over 99%. And most of these components are international brand, like Oran, Schneider, Mitsubishi, and others. And second, we do the second press for reshaping. We second press this outer angle for matching this lid, so it will be matched perfectly. And this is also done by our Indian client, JB Cookware. And third, we cut the edge. Finally, we trimming the edge for make it smoothly. And after forming, we need to remove the oil and the dust by this washing line. And next part is to do the surface polishing. It will be like this: inner matte finish and outer mirror finish, and the bottom will be the matte finish also. Firstly, we need to, for inner matte finish, we need to remove the deep drawing mark of the inner wall, and then we do rough sanding and fine sanding in the inner. We use 100-degree emery factor wheel to remove the deep drawing mark by this machine inner pressure. And this machine, our main body life can over 10 years, and capacity is 1,500 to 1,800 pieces per 8 hours. The rotating speed of the polishing wheel, we can do 2,900 revolution per minute. And the machine electric components is Schneider Elco Galaxy, which means the quality of this machine is higher. And next, we do the inner rough finishing, rough sanding and fine sanding. First is to do the rough sanding by 120-degree sanding belt. Second is to fine sanding by 180-degree sanding belt. By this double test octal sanding machine. This machine will also promise you main body life over 10 years. And the capacity can do 1,300 to 1,500 pieces per final finish per 8 hours. And it can save you one worker and one machine, because it has two heads. Machine electric components are Schneider Elco Galaxy. And next step, we do outer mirror finish. To do the edge mirror finish. like this one. This will look better. We do two processes on the edge polishing. One is emery binding, second is polishing by hard scissor wheel. For inner wall mirror finish, we need to do more process because we need to remove the deep joint mark of outer wall, and then we do the mirror finish by the scissor wheel and the cotton wheel. The bottom, we also do the bottom matte finish. The finish will look like this and this. First is outer edge emery grinding by this edge pressure. Second is polishing by hard scissor wheel. Let us check the machine videos of this. Then we emery grinding the outer wall. We need to do 3 times emery grinding. Then we use the hard scissor wheel to make the scissor finish. To do the mirror finish by soft scissor wheel and the cotton wheel. The final finish will look like this. For the final step of polishing, we do the bottom matte finish. And the third part is the packing plan. One is to make the holes for reaching the handle. We punch in the holes for next step for repeating the handle. The one time can do 2 holes for both one time, and this one time can do 4 holes. Next step, we to do the handle repeating like this. This is the final repeating finish. It will catch perfectly. So this whole system, whole production line is around taking 2 piece hydraulic press, 1 piece punching machine, and 1 piece edge trimming machine, 1 washing line, 1 inner polisher, and 1 sanding 2-head sanding machine, and 1 piece edge polisher, and 3 piece outer polisher, and 1 manual sanding machine, and 1 piece hose puncher, and 1 repeating machine. It is around 50 sets machines. The successful project we have done with our clients, it is around $400,000. And it requires 16 workers. And the factory we recommend is over 1,400 square meters. When you can take this investment back, we have calculated it is around 10 months. After 10 months working, you can get those machines for free because start making money for you. And the final part is why to choose Singularity, why to work with us. Because we have overseas service center in India, and we have done many successful projects. It is over 50 successful projects we have done, and we have and our clients choose us because they believe in us, and we provide our service for our clients. This is our handy engineer, Ajay and Ravinda. This is our director, Elena. They work in the factory. So let me to show you what project we have done in the world. We have 2 temporary glass lid production line in India and over 20 cookware production line. In Thailand, we have done 5 cookware production lines and 4 cookware production lines in Egypt and Vietnam, 3 cookware production lines in Bangladesh, 3 in Indonesia, and 2 lines in Pakistan. And also have 1 in Russia, Mexico, Peru, Algeria, Ethiopia, Kenya, Uzbekistan, Nepal, and Dubai of United Arab Emirates. And we also have the cookware spinning production line in Thailand, Indonesia, and Mexico. This is our Mexico clients. They do they come to our factory for the trial running and training in our factory. And also 1 washing line in Sri Lanka. This is the project we have done in 2015. It is JB cookware in India. This is the project in Uzbekistan. Our engineering is try running the hydraulic pressure machine and testing the mode. And this is our project in Mexico. Our colleague Giselle, this one to lead this project. Giselle 露一个脸吧。And this is our project in Algeria, our engineering with the workers of the factory. This is our client. And what service we provide for our clients? One is we provide the A to Z from the machines, A to Z project from the machines, and the molds, and the tools, and the accessories, and the consumables. You can all find from us because we can provide to you, and we can provide a safe business platform. We can handle the project around $2 million, and we can accept 100% by LC. And we provide continuous service to support your project running in your factory. And we're responsible for the final finish. This is the factory layout we provide for our clients in India. And we have a big team for support you to do the before sales service and after sales service. We also provide you the basic service like customized machine manufacturing and pre-acceptance before shipment to installation and training and final acceptance. This is our Mexico clients to try running the machines, spinning machines before shipping. And this is our Algeria engineer team. Their workers come to our factory to learn how to running the machines. Before they come to China, they do not have any skill of the machines, but we training them to make them familiar with the machines. And we also provide the upgrade service, like annual visit, new products and R&D supporting, working process consulting. We visit our clients in 2019. Our colleague then to lead the team to visit the JB cookware factory. And we every year to repeat one auto line for our clients. Thank you. You deserve the best. Thank you.